I bought this car used a while back, and I never thought of looking underneath until a few days ago. When I started it, it made this loud racket. This is what I found. Both left and right sides on the exhaust pipes have holes. The right side is completely broken off. So today, I will try to repair them using two methods. One side, I will use a commercially available product, and the other side, I will use whatever else I find, whatever material is lying around the house. And it so happens I found some aluminum sheets that I was using on when I replaced the sidings on my house. I can just cut into strips and try to use them as clamps to hold on to the exhaust. For exhaust pipes that are this damaged, I would recommend replacing the whole exhaust system. Please remember, this is purely educational only. I do not recommend either method of repairing your exhaust pipes. For exhaust pipes that are this damaged, I would recommend replacing the whole exhaust system. If you have a smaller hole to patch up, maybe you can use the method I'm showing here. But to be sure that the exhaust pipes are working properly and no exhaust fumes are creeping into your car's cabin, I would recommend just replacing the muffler for the exhaust pipes. This piece of aluminum did not work because it's too wide, so I cut a narrower piece of aluminum and installed it onto the left side of the exhaust
And then turn
pipes.
it on.
Sorry, I thought the camera was turned on. I didn't capture the install on the left side. For the right side, just follow the instructions that are on the package. Basically, just cleaning the pipes, sanding, and using the alcohol swabs before installing the fiberglass tape. Remove the protective cover on the fiberglass tape. Make sure to use the supplied nitrile gloves. Once the pipes are clean, you can start wrapping the fiberglass tape onto the pipes. I seriously doubt that this is enough to hold on to the pipes, but we'll see. Make sure to have the fiberglass tape overlap by at least half an inch per the product's instructions. Once the fiberglass is wrapped around the pipe, make sure to support the pipes with the supplied clamp. Please always remember, whenever you're working on your projects, please observe safety first. Still a bunch of holes.